Okay, World Wide Web, I'm almost back to 100%. It is a beautiful Monday morning here on East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland, guys. And today we're going to talk about oxymorons in this particular video that I'm doing, okay? We're going to talk about oxymorons. We're going to talk about oxymorons and how they relate to making money online. And, uh, and the difference between using an automated marketing sales system, because at the end of the day, you want automation in your business and you want to be using an automated system in your business, right? You want to use automation in your business. So why am I talking about oxymorons? Because, guys, a lot of times, and I got a great question from K-Mac today, and the question was, what's better, one particular business opportunity versus another business opportunity, right? And throughout my YouTube videos, guys, you guys see me putting more emphasis on technique, tactic, strategy, tools, and resources than I do the actual business opportunity. And the reason I do that is because the business opportunity that you choose to get involved with, right, that you elect to use as your vehicle is the means to an end. It's the way that you're going to start receiving money. We're talking about digital marketing here, and I'm talking about email marketing particularly, right? So when we talk about oxymorons, it's a figure of speech in which two opposite ideas are joined to create an effect. The common, should I say, oxymoron phrase is a combination of an adjective preceded by a noun with contrasting meaning, right? The meanings are in contrast, such as cruel kindness. Anyway, guys, you know how I do it, right? So I went and pulled up several images on oxymorons so you guys can get a better understanding of what an oxymoron actually is, right? If you don't already know, and I'm sure you do. I'm pretty ugly, right? Really? That's I'm pretty ugly. Pretty ugly is an oxymoron, guys, right? Let's look at another one. Jumbo shrimp, right? Jumbo is huge. Shrimp is small. That's an oxymoron too. So throughout the images that I pulled up, right, on oxymorons, you guys kind of get where I'm going when we talk about the oxymoron. Now, you guys know I was in the military for a long time, and people used to pick on the military when people used a phrase like military intelligence. I hate that analogy, guys, because I was in the military. But people used to actually say that military intelligence was an oxymoron as well. So how does that play into the theme of today's video? Well, guys, let me show you what I'm talking about, right? Let's take a look at a business called Pure Profit Pro. I know a lot of people who are in this opportunity, guys, okay? Pure Profit Pro, great program based on what I've heard about it. I'm not a part of it, right? To get started, they have a $250 level here. They have a $500 level here, and they have a $1,000 level here as well. And when you purchase any business product or service, right, you're purchasing information, right? You're purchasing knowledge. You're purchasing internet marketing education, right? So why am I talking about Pure Profit Pro? Okay, let's talk about 25. Well, I'm sorry, this is $25 one up, right? Let's talk about that. Same thing, guys. You're purchasing information. You're purchasing a product that you will be able to resell and earn the level that you purchased on, right? Let's take a look at one more, guys, before I move on. Let's look at the Fearless Mama, right? Another great program, guys. I just had 3 people make an attempt to join me in this Fearless Mama today, guys. Something happened on their end, right? And so the payments didn't go through. But the point is this, guys. By the way, for any of you guys who just tried to do that, let me know. Reach out and talk to me. I don't know what the problem was, but your payment didn't go through. I can see that in my back office. Now, guys, let's back up a little bit. Let's talk a little bit more about the oxymoron and why the actual business opportunity you promote is the vehicle you choose, you elect to use in your digital marketing business. What particular program or product or business opportunity you elect to promote is totally up to you. At the end of the day, though, the processes that you use to go out and promote and market your business will not change, right? If that makes sense. Let me just get back to one of these pages. Let's go back here. That will not change, right? So hypothetically, let's say that you were a person who were promoting the Pure Profit Pro, right? What you would do, guys, you would go in, you would set yourself up an account with Pure Profit Pro based on the level you came in on, and whatever level you came in on, right, you will be able to earn on that particular level. Right? If it were the $250 level, then you'd be able to earn $250 commissions when you move a $250 product, digital product on that level. And it's no different when we talk about the $25 one up, guys. Whatever level you join on, right? And there are many levels throughout the structure of all of these types, these business models, and they are different business models, but they're all digital marketing platforms. That's the model they're built upon. That's the way that you're going to earn. So when you ask yourself the question, and it's a great question, by the way, which is better? I don't know, right? I like to think of it as an oxymoron, right? Because it's the means to an end. Doesn't matter what it is, guys. You guys hear me talking all the time. It's why I talk about technique, tactic, and strategy, because the program that you choose or you elect to promote can vary. There are so many different programs on the internet. There are so many different products and services and biz ops that you can promote online, guys. The list goes on and on and on and on. It really doesn't matter. One, I don't know, you would have to make that decision, right? One's not necessarily better than the other, because at the end of the day, they all serve the same purpose, right? At the end of the day, they're going to deliver a digital product to your potential prospects. Let's jump over to the Fearless Mama. This is one of the ones I really, really want to put emphasis on. At the end of the day, if you are an affiliate, right? If you are promoting a particular product or service, and you on that particular level, then you will receive that amount of money based on the level you came on. So I use the oxymoron analogy because they do the same thing, right? It doesn't matter, right? They do the same thing. You sell a $250 Fearless Mama digital product, that training, right? The video tutorials, and you use the done for you marketing system to go out and promote it. You'll make $250. Pure Profit Pro, same thing. $25 one up, same thing. You're on the $25 level, you're on the $100 level, you're on the $250 level, so on and so forth. So one of the things I try to put a lot of emphasis on in my video marketing training, guys, is the fact that it's not as important what you promote as the processes that you choose to go out and promote it, right? Because whatever you join, you're going to have to get into the actual training, right? You're going to have to get into the training and look at the platform that we have set up for you. I'm saying we, in case you guys join me in anything, and you already know that. But whatever you join, right, it's the training inside of your members area that's going to make money for you, right? Not, and it could be anything. I mean, wow. I could do videos on all the different products and services throughout the World Wide Web on the internet that you can market and promote, and it would be endless, which is why I'm putting together my Dialing for Dollars automated sales system, right? The automated sales funnel, that marketing system, because I said in another video, I can use that. Let me see, can I? Wow, I don't think I have it up, guys. I really don't think I have it up yet. Let me see. Wow. Okay, I don't have it up, but here's the point. When you get into the training of whatever it is you elect to market and promote, right, you will understand that it's the marketing training that you immerse yourself in, that you start following, right, when you set up your business, that will make sales for you, right? So it doesn't matter so much what you promote as it is the method or the methodology, right, that you use to go out and promote it. So to answer a question in a nutshell, you can market and promote anything you want to, guys, but you want, at the end of the day, what you want to have attached to the products and services that you want to promote are an automated, or should I say automation, an automated sales system, an automated sales and marketing funnel. Because what that does, it enables you to promote whatever you want to promote on automation, right? Wow, I'm going to do another video after this one, and I'll explain. Well, I've done it in many videos, but I'm not in the page now. My computer's acting very slow right now, so I'm not going to do it. I won't be able to do it in this video. I'm just not going to try. But the point is, that's what automation does for you, right? No matter what business you want to promote, if you can automate that business, right? If you can use a sales system, an automated sales system, you can market and promote anything you want to. Doesn't matter. You choose, guys, right? It's 1,001 products, lots of great products, lots of great internet marketers out here doing their own thing, guys. They're promoting it, and what they're doing is they're using systems, right? Automated systems, sales funnels. And I use automated sales systems and funnels via email marketing. I broaden the scope of what I'm able to market and promote by building sales systems, right? Universal sales systems and sales funnels, so I can market and promote anything I want to. I went all the way around Robin Hood's barn like I always do, explaining that. But I'm just saying that to say that it doesn't matter, guys, what you market and promote, right? All great products, thousands of them, and new ones sprouting up every single day, right? Every single day, there's a new product and a service that you can actually go out and promote to make money online, right? So let the takeaway from this video actually be, it doesn't matter what you choose or you elect to market and promote, as long as you, and if you can, should I say, or I'll add to, if you can automate the process for promoting that product, for marketing that product. What I mean by that is getting in front of your particular target audience. And by the way, all, if not most, if not all of these, the business opportunities that I just showed you, and there are countless of thousands or more, have training, right, that corresponds to the way you should be marketing the particular product, or suggestions of ways you should be marketing. And if you guys dig into the members area of any of these business opportunities, then you'll find the training, the video tutorials, everything that you actually need to go out and start doing it. Just understand that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the very first step, and which is why I leave different opportunities for you guys. Usually somewhere in my description, and you'll see some of the things I'm doing, but I'm never so specific about any one thing, because as you find your way in this industry and as you get your legs, so to speak, you'll know what the perfect fit is for you, right? You'll find yourself more comfortable with one business opportunity as opposed to another. You may like the pay structure in one business opportunity as opposed to another. Like you take a one-up program where you make the first sale and then the next sale goes to your sponsor, and so on and so forth. So keep that in mind as you go out and you start looking for ways to make money online, and there are many. And remember, once you have elected a product and or service that you want to promote, the most important thing that you have to remember is to make sure that you are immersing yourself in the internet marketing and training that comes alongside of that business opportunity, because it's all there. It's all there for you. And that's one of the most exciting things about what's going on in this industry today, is pretty much it's a blueprint. And you can take almost anything that you want and you can go out and market it and you can promote it, right? As long as you have a sales system and as long as you're following along in the actual training. Again, I hope that makes sense, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep, thousands of more videos to shoot. I'm feeling really good. Wow, man, the sun is shining. So look, I hope that made sense to you guys. Okay, when we talk about oxymorons, it's the same difference. That's an oxymoron too, by the way. Anyway, guys, miles to go before I sleep. Thousands more videos to shoot. Go on, guys. Search the World Wide Web. Take your time. There is no rush. Get in where you fit in. Find a product, a service, a biz op that you feel comfortable with, right? You like the payment structure. You like the compensation plan. Then commit to the actual training that you're going to be afforded, right? As turned into the digital marketing, right? And email marketing. And you like it, you feel comfortable with it, guys, get in, right? Get inside, start your training, right? Start that journey, right? Because it begins with the very first step. Anyway, that's my time, guys. I got to get out of here. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep banging. One.